No, I'm sorry, but I've come to hand my washing out. Look at the sky, beautiful blue everywhere you look. Not cloud in the sky, except for where the sun is. Hello? That's too much. Come on, behave yourself. Look, not a cloud in the sky for as far as you can see. Proper blue, blue, blue. Oh, here you come. Yeah, come on. Behave yourself. I never known. That is just like, I don't know. Dixie, you can't hang your washing out today, I'm afraid. Because I must sit behind this one piece of cloud here, ruin your day. Come on. I'm waiting until you come out. Because I can't believe that you've done that. One cloud in the sky, and it's dark cloud, dense cloud. The sun went and hid behind it as soon as I bring my washing out. There you go. Well done, Sonny. Sonny! Yesterday my life was filled with rain. Oh yeah. Well done. Now, let's all just live in peace and harmony and enjoy the day, please. Stop this freak of nature that you done put upon me and my washing this afternoon. Thank you, son. You're a good bean, really. I can't believe that I had to capture it on video. I'm going to load it up to YouTube now. See if anybody else has this sort of day where you do all your washing, sky is blue, come out with your washing, hang it on the rail, 2 minutes later, pow. But you're out now, but the cloud done disperse. Okay, beautiful skies everywhere now, except for that fly on my finger. There you go. Beautiful. Thank you. You act force now. Well done. Thank you.